Mastering WH questions. What to know for perfect English conversations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. In this episode, we're going to dive into a critical part of conversational English, the WH question word, what. Specifically, we'll focus on how we use it to ask about things or activities. Remember, what is the key to unlocking more meaningful and engaging English conversations. So, what's so special about what? Well, when it comes to WH questions, what is our go-to question word for asking about things or activities? We use what to gain information, clarify understanding, or probe deeper into a topic of conversation. Examples: what is your favorite book? What are you doing this weekend? The structure of a basic what question is typically what plus verb plus subject plus. Let's start with how we use what to ask about things. This could be objects, ideas, places, essentially, any nouns. We're asking for specific information about these things. Examples: what is your favorite food? Asking about a specific thing. Food. What city are you from? Asking about a specific place. City. You see, these questions are powerful tools for getting to know someone or learning more about a particular topic. Now, let's look at how what helps us ask about activities. When we ask what questions about activities, we're interested in actions or events. We're curious about what someone is doing, will do, or has done. Examples: what are you reading? Asking about a current activity. Reading. What did you do on your vacation? Asking about a past activity. Vacation. Such questions can keep conversations flowing and encourage the sharing of experiences. And there we have it, folks. The power of what in English conversations. By using this question word to ask about things or activities, you're sure to add depth to your English conversations and make them more engaging. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start using what in your daily English conversations today. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone!